Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here. We have a new cool tool to unbox for you. So let's do this. What we have here is our 12026 ATF Refill Kit. It refills most automatic transmissions. And it includes a 20-piece adapter set. And we'll take a look at that. And here's a tip. It does more than that, but we'll get back to that part. What we have here is we've got a detachable pump for easy cleaning. We also have a nice 6-liter reservoir here with a specially designed base so that you can put your foot on it to hold it in place. And you have here a nice clear hose, and it's spring reinforced to keep it from kinking. And you have a nice all metal valve here and attaching point. And also you get this nice 20-piece adapter set. Look at all that you get. So now I'm going to put this together and we'll see how this all works out. You just put this pump on the top like so. You fill it up with the fluid that you want to put in there, and also it comes with an extra cap, so if you take the hose off you can plug it up so nothing gets in there. And one of the things I like about the hose is it's got this weight that keeps it down at the bottom, which that's really nice if you've ever used any of this kind of equipment before. Got a nice little cap here so you can get it on there. Just like so. You also get an instruction booklet, and it has some of the applications in it. This gives a broad range of applications. With all these adapters in here, your coverage is great for the transmissions where you have to fill through the bottom. Some of them are threaded too for the tops. You know, it's just really a cool setup. You'll find that this is going to work out really nice for you. But also the thing I was talking about that does more for just your automatic transmissions is that you can grab an adapter like this and put it in here, and now you can start doing your transfer cases and your rear ends. So it goes far beyond just being able to do a transmission, so it's a really good value. And one of the other cool things I like, it not only is it for the ones that you fill from underneath, but you know, on top, when you're filling through with a regular dipstick tube and you have to deal with the funnel and the container and all that, it gets real messy and you're pulling it out, dripping all over the place. No more of that. Put your fluid in here, pump up your pressure, slip this down the dipstick tube, open up the valve, quick and easy clean refill. Shut it off, pull it out with have your rag handy. No more funnel, no more extra container, no more fluid everywhere. This is a really cool setup. You'll find that it's a real time saver, excellent value. You're going to get a lifetime of service out of this thing. So there you have it. Be sure to register your tool. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.